Hello everyone. I expect in this pandemic situation you people are staying at home, staying safe. But time and tides never wait for us. So we can't stop our study, we can't stop our preparation for the examination. For that we have to continue the study so that we can change this calamity into opportunity. For that you have to do hard work. This is Dr. R.K. Sinha and today I am teaching a very important topic of zoology. This is the menstrual cycle, and menstrual cycle is the characteristic feature of primates of class Mammalia. This is the order of the class Mammalia, and in this order human, ape and monkeys are included. Okay, so there is a cyclical change occurring in the endometrial wall of the uterus. Okay, just like this. This is the female reproductive part, and here this is the structure, and in this part this one is ovary and this is endometrium. So there is the cyclical change in endometrial wall at the age of puberty in human female, not only human female, in ape and monkey also. So there is cyclical change here, means at puberty age the endometrial wall and the blood vessels present in this one get ruptured, and there is a flow of the fluid that will come out through this vagina, and it is repeated at regular interval of 28-29 days. So this cycle always repeats in 28 to 29 days in human female after puberty. It starts in puberty age. The start of menstruation is known as menarche. Menarche is the stage of onset of menstruation. And it takes place at the age of puberty. Start at the age of puberty, means 10 to 12 years. Okay, so this endometrium or uterine part of the human reproductive organ regulated by some hormones released from this ovary. Okay, and the menstrual cycle ceases at the age of 45 to 50. That condition is known as menopause. Ceasing of menstruation. So this repeats after 28 to 29 days in human females. Now how it will happen and what are the stages that takes place during the menstrual cycle? Let's see. So it includes two different cycles. First is ovarian cycle, means the events that is occurring within the ovary, that is known as ovarian cycle. What will happen in the ovary later we will see. And second one is uterine cycle, the events happening in the uterus. So what will happen in this ovary and what will happen in the uterus, we will discuss step by step in these two cycles. Okay, we will discuss these two cycles step by step. What are the events happening here? In the ovarian cycle, and what are the events happening here in the uterine cycle? This ovarian cycle regulated by or controlled by hormones of pituitary gland, whereas the uterine cycle controlled by ovarian hormones. Ovarian hormones means hormone released from ovary that will control the entire events of the uterus, and the events happening here in the ovary that will be regulated and controlled by the hormones released from the pituitary gland. So what are the events happening here in uterus and what are the events happening here in ovary? Let's see. In this one, there are three events happening. First one, the menstrual phase, and second one, proliferative phase, and third one is secretory phase. This is menstrual